Hey, kamusta ka, ka-random? Welcome back to another episode of Random Tales, ang podcast kung saan walang kwento ang nalilimutan at lahat ng bagay pwedeng pag-usapan. Ako ulit si Mary, ang inyong host. And today, we're diving into something na very uniquely Filipino at very festive. Bakit nga ba sa Pilipinas, September pa lang, Pasko na? Lights, music, decor, at kung minsan, si Jose Marichan lumalabas na parang multo sa Pasko. So kung ready ka na, tara, let's talk about it. Alam mo ba ang Pilipinas ang may pinakamahabang Christmas season sa buong mundo? Yes, totoo yan. From September 1 hanggang January. Literal na bare months hanggang 3 Kings. May festive spirit na. Pero, bakit nga ba? Mahilig tayo sa Pasko. Filipinos are naturally festive. Mahilig tayo sa family gatherings, kainan, at syempre, ang gift-giving. Pagdating ng bare months, you'll see homes putting up trees, office organizing parties, and radio stations looping Christmas in our hearts. Para sa atin, ang Pasko ay hindi lang isang event. It's an entire feeling. Kaya the earlier it starts, the better. Yan ang unang rason. Second, cultural and religious reasons. As a predominantly Catholic country, malalim ang ugat ng Pasko sa ating kultura. Siyempre, the birth of Jesus is central to our faith. Starting December 16, we begin the 9-day simbang gabi or Misa de Gallo sa madaling araw. Usually 4:30 a.m. ang misa. Sobrang aga, malamig, pero punuan pa rin ang simbahan. Ang sabi ng matatanda, kapag nakumpleto mo ang 9 days, pwede ka daw mag-wish at matutupad ito. Whether or not that is true, it shows how deep our devotion is. Kaya we don't just celebrate, we prepare spiritually, emotionally, and yes, even visually, as early as we can. Third reason, escapism and joy amidst struggles. Let's be real. Life isn't easy. Maraming pagsubok. Mula sa traffic, trabaho, kulang sweldo, family problem, may personal struggles, tapos may flood control project, tapos may ghost project, tapos ang dami-daming mga kotse nila. Sobrang mamahal, tapos tayo e-bike lang, hirap tayo magulag. Well, anyway, maagang Pasko means maagang saya, maagang pag-asa, at maagang paalala na may liwanag pa rin sa gitna ng dilim. Kaya ang Christmas para sa maraming Pinoy ay source of hope and happiness. Para bang kapag nakita mong may parol na o narinig mo na si Christmas in Our Hearts, parang may konting gaan sa puso, diba? Number 4, media and commercial influence. Pagpasok ng September, malls like SM, Ayala, and even Divisoria, naglalagay na agad ng Christmas lights and trees. May 100 days of Christmas sale, may Christmas village, may pa-picture with Santa kahit 30 degrees pa sa labas. Media also pushes it. TV network starts releasing Christmas station IDs, like the famous ABS-CBN star ng Pasko. Grabe yung impact nun. Talagang tearjerker. Siyempre, business din ito. Pero, hindi mo na sila masisisi kasi may demand. We actually look forward to it. Number 5. January 1 and the Three Kings, a Christian meaning. Most countries stop celebrating on December 25. Pero tayong mga Pinoy, tuloy-tuloy pa hanggang January. January 1 is the Solemnity of Mary, Mother of God, a major feast in the Catholic calendar. It's a way of welcoming the new year with prayer and gratitude through Mary. Then comes Three Kings, or the Feast of the Epiphany, usually celebrated on the first Sunday of January. It marks the arrival of the wise men bringing gifts to baby Jesus, which completes the Christmas story. Christmas is not just about gifts and Noche Buena. It's about the birth of hope and the faith that carries us through. It's deeply spiritual. Number 6. The Jose Marichan Effect. Kailangan ko ba mag-explain to? The moment September 1 hits, lalabas na agad ang mga memes at video clips ni Sir Jose Marichan. Pero more than the meme, his music has become the soundtrack of our early celebration. And in fairness, siya na talaga ang naging unofficial face of Filipino Christmas. Very iconic. So ayun nga, kung nagtataka ka kung bakit maagang mag-Christmas sa Pinas, because we're a people full of faith, joy, and resilience. Because we believe in celebrating life, love, and light as early and as long as possible. Kasi sa puso ng mga Pilipino, anytime is a good time to hope, to love, and to celebrate. Lalo na sa ngayon na nakakahina ng loob ang mga napapanood natin. Kabi-kabilang nakawan at lokohan sa ating bansa. Salamat sa pakikinig sa isang masayang kwentuhan dito sa Random Tales kung saan kahit simpleng tanong may kwentong malalim. If you enjoyed this episode, huwag kalimutang i-follow ang podcast at i-share sa tropa mong September pa lang may fairy lights na. And leave a thumbs up kung nasa YouTube or Facebook ka. Ako ulit si Mary, and this has been your dose of random kwento at Paskong Pinoy Feels with meaning. Only here on Random Tales. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday this season we never forget.